Hi, this is Ms. Pellegrin, and we're looking at our percents practice page. I just wanted to give you a little expectation of what this should look like. Also, on this side it says solve using an equation. In the video, we were looking, in your video lessons, we've been doing P is equal to percent times the whole. However, when we very first started, we were doing P is equal to the percent over 100 times our whole. And so I just wanted to show you the difference there. You can use either. There are benefits to both of them. Okay, so number 18, what percent? Okay, so percent, we don't know. Of means this is our whole, this is our part. So if I write this out as your equation, part is 25.7 equals, the percent is unknown, so we're just going to write x, and the whole is 180. Our variable always comes after, so we were just rewriting it, 180x, and then we divide both sides by 180. So 25.7 divided by 180 gives me that x is equal to 0.14. 7 repeating on forever. Now I'm looking for a percent. This doesn't make sense. I need to be moving that decimal 2 places to the right, which makes this 14.3%. The 7 would round that 2 up. Okay. So in this way, we had to move the decimal 2 places to the right because we did not put our percent over 100. So when it came out, it just came out as a decimal answer instead of as a percent number. So if we do it the other way, if we use P is equal to the percent over 100, so if we put our percent over 100, 25.7 equals x over 100, so our percent out of 100, times our whole, which was 180.4 over 1. Okay. We can multiply straight across. So that gives us 25.7 is equal to 180.4 times x is 180.4, and then 100 times 1 is 100. 180.4x. There we go. Then we multiply by our reciprocal to get x by itself. $180.4 times 100 over 180.4. So 100 times 25.7 equals 2,570, and then 180.4 times 1 gives me 180.4. Equals, on this side we had a 180.4 and 180.4, so that cross simplified, and 100 times in 100 cross simplified. So all I'm left with is x because I multiplied by the reciprocal. So then 2,570 divided by 180.4 leaves me with 14.2. We're going to the 10th place on this worksheet. Okay, so 14.2%. Because the 4 would not make that 2 round up. So there is a little bit of difference in that answer. Oh, because I forgot the 0.4 on these. That's why there's a difference. So this would be a really good way, if you can do both, to be able to help you to check your answer as well. Okay, so 25.7 divided by 180.4 equals 14.24. Okay, so now it's the exact same number. Oops. Okay. So you are welcome to use either way to do that. Both of them are equations and both of them are acceptable equations. So you may use that in order to solve when you are doing your percents, like on 16. You can do 90 over 100 like we have been doing, or you could write it as a decimal as 0.9 when you're writing out your equation. Okay? So make sure on this worksheet we need to round to tenths, please.